Welcome to Megger's video training series. In this video, you will learn how to configure binary inputs and outputs on SMRT relay test sets. Most SMRT relay test sets have 10 inputs and 6 outputs. To expose more of the IOs, click the More button and select Advanced. You can now see 7 inputs and 4 outputs. To see the remaining IOs, you click the right or the left button until you find what you're looking for. I'm now going to go back to simple mode. Configuring the inputs is easy. Click on the input desired. By default, input 1 is used as trip. Use as trip enabled means that when this input activates, relay test results will be captured. Only one input at a time may be chosen for trip. Enable latch prevents contact bounce from affecting the results in a timing test. Auto off allows the test set to turn off voltages, currents, or both when selected. The default is voltage and current. This is the safest mode. However, you have the choice to turn off current leaving voltage on, turn off voltage leaving current on, or disable the auto off altogether. The contact mode defaults to continuity mode or contact mode. It could also be set for voltage mode. This is voltage AC or DC. The action can be applied as shown here, or it can be a removed action. This completes the contact input configuration. To use contact outputs, go back to advanced mode, select the output desired, select when you want it to close, and then when you activate the test set, that contact will go closed. That completes configuring binary and outputs. Thank you.